it's Oliver Gamer, and we will be knocking because I'm just borrowing Eli's tripod, mini one, and I have to use my phone because I can't find my GoPro. And we need to make this a quick unboxing video because I have this stuff I won't tell you. I need to unbox it. And today we have 3 special guests. Okay, come on. There's only one other chair, but.
Okay.
No, I don't know.
Okay. All right.
I don't know if everyone's in frame or not, but this is the most important thing. So, here we go.
Yay.
Here we go. No one say what it is because they don't know what it is.
Yeah.
And I know what it is because I ordered these and they do too because I told them.
I hope you know what it is.
I do know what it is. If
Okay,
it's like my mom's.
That'd be
What if it's
good.
your mom's?
It's my mom's thing. And it said they come in today, so it should be these. Ah! There.
Yay.
It is them. Yay! Ah! There they are.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these boys. Woo! They are for my port, and they can do like RGB music. They're down, and then it says I can like control them from my phone. It said, which is pretty cool. So
Those are cool.
let's unbox. So we have
What they have.
boring. What's this?
I have the same remote.
I know. This is the thing that plugs them in, and this is the adapter. And here's the light strip.
Hey, yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Woo! That's pretty cool. So I can just put these on before. I don't know if it's long enough. Oh, and there's the remote.
Oh, that looks like
Yeah, the ones that we
what it
have.
is, yeah.
They're
The
mine.
ones out
So-
outdoor lights.
I can
And
control. And I can make
Oh,
my
true.
floor turn like colors because of all this cool stuff. So
That's good.
this is a quick unboxing video. So let's fast forward to the part where we have everything ready. Thank you guys for watching. Oh wait, you can't even see me. Come on. What button is it?
Here, can you see?
No. Is it this color? Can I just press? Oh, there it goes.
Yay!
Oh, that looks so weird. Let's do it white. White. Oh, that's better.
Yay!
So
okay.
they can like change all these colors.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
Oh, yellow is the good color. Oh man, that really
Blue.
gets it.
That's so cool.
There, that's the. Wait, no, not that color. That makes this look so clear. The
Yeah.
yellow does.
Yeah.
Well,
that's
thank
good.
you guys for watching. That was a very short video because we just want to show you this beautiful purple. It's just so
Whoa,
weird.
that's so good. Subscribe to Oliver Gamer and
Subscribe.
yeah, like and
Bye.
subscribe.